I will be the best. I am going to do this. I got this. I'm going to grow my business. I will be a positive person. I will be the best that I can be. Hi, this is Anna Ciano Hendricks, and today we're going to talk about something that is extremely important in your career, in your business, in real estate, and that is positive self-talk, positive things, and visualize yourself succeeding and winning. So many of us during the day keep on feeding ourselves, negative emotions, negative thoughts, we're beating ourselves up constantly. Guys, your brain's going to be wired then to actually start believing those thoughts. I always tell people all the time that I'm talking to agents, coaching them, when they're telling me these things, when they take a minute to actually hear what they're saying to themselves daily, would you speak to someone you love that way? Would you speak to a really good friend? Would you speak to a child, a brother, a mother, etc. that way? 99, should be 100% of the times, they should be saying, no, absolutely not. Then why are you speaking to yourself that day? There's proven studies that the way you start your day, the way you speak to yourself, the way you think about yourself can get you those results. If you're constantly thinking that you can't hit that goal, if you're constantly thinking that you're not going to be the best agent that you can be, that you're not going to get that listing, that you're not going to find your buyers a home, guys, you're going to start believing it's going to happen. If you change your mindset to believe, yeah, I can do it. Yeah, I will hit those goals. Guys, it's not just fluff. It really has worked. There is major successful athletes that spend tens of thousands of dollars, if not more, on coaches that do this for them. So they can visualize themselves making that shot. They can visualize themselves winning. Guys, it's the power of thinking and rewiring our brains. Scientific studies have proven this. Stop, take a second when you're thinking to yourself what you're saying, and make sure to be positive. Positive affirmations. And honestly, guys, every day you should be doing this throughout the day, but especially in the morning. Start your mornings off right. And no, it's not being pompous. It's not flooding your head and thinking you're the best. You're trying to teach yourself to know and live to your full potential that you can do it, guys. So if you want any other tips, please give me a call. And guys, we've done some trainings too on the goal setting, the affirmations, but this is important. They go hand in hand. Dreams, goals, not making excuses, positive affirmations, self-talk. Guys, this is what will lead you to that next level, take you to that next level to get the goals that you want, alongside with all the successful sales things you're doing in real estate. Go over to our business building page, Winning in Real Estate. Give it a like, give it a follow. We're going to have some great content coming up. And as always, if you want to talk real estate, have any more questions, give us a call.